Yeah, he's right there.
Cones. He says that guy keeps sweeping them off. I can.
Look how fast he's throwing these out.
I know.
Yeah.
Quick grab, quick grab.
Wow.
That's what we hear on the roof in the morning.
Hey, he probably took off the rest of the ones as well.
I don't know if he ever actually sleeps.
Oh.
You walk over there.
Okay. I'll be back.
Oh my god, I can't believe how fast he's going.
I know.
Would it hurt to get hit by one of those?
I think it might hurt actually.
Should we try it out?
You go stand there and tell me. Just stand underneath. Oh, jets. No way, Zach. Put the towel down. Gotta move over. Gotta move over.
He is high up.
Sound like they hurt.
Yes, they do. Well, you're just gonna get hit by one, then you'll know. Won't be that bad. You're hitting trees on the way down.
Oh, you're coming.
Think of them as pennies from heaven.
Quinn. Yeah. Come here.
Gonna see if it hurts.
Here goes one. Oh, wow.
Oh, my neck's getting sore looking at them though.